Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we completed up to question number 22. In today's session, I will start from question number 23. In question number 23, we need to find the value of tan 9 degrees minus tan 27 degrees minus tan 63 degrees plus tan 81 degrees. Now consider, first I am taking first term and last term. So in these two, highest value I am writing first. So tan 81 plus tan 9 degrees. In these two, I will take minus common. Again I am taking highest one, tan 63 plus tan 27. Okay, now that equals to tan 81 can be written as tan 90 minus 9 plus tan 9 degrees. Tan 63 can be written as tan 90 minus 27 plus tan 27. For 90, function will change. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta, that equals to cot 9 plus tan 9. Here also tan 90 minus theta is nothing but cot theta, cot 27 plus tan 27. Now this cot can be written as 1 by tan, 1 by tan 9 degrees plus tan 9 degrees. Here also cot can be written as 1 by tan, tan 27 degrees plus tan 27 degrees. If you take LCM, 1 plus tan square 9 by tan 9, here 1 plus cross multiply tan into tan square 27 by tan 27. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta by tan 9. Here also 1 plus tan square is nothing but secant square theta by tan 27. Secant square I can write 1 by cos square 9. Tan I can write sin by cos. Here also secant square I can write 1 by cos square by tan can be written as sin by cos. Now here we can write square, cos gets cancelled. Here also square, cos gets cancelled. This sign will go to numerator. Sin by cos, that is nothing but tan 9. One more cos is there. Again here sin by cos, that is tan 27. Sorry, here sin 9 will come to denominator, then 1 by sin 9 into cos 9 minus here 1 by sin 27 into cos 27. Now multiply with 2, divide with 2. 2 by 2 sin 9 degrees cos 9 degrees. Here also multiply with 2, divide with 2. 2 by 2 sin 27 degrees cos 27 degrees. I am doing the continuation here. That equals to 2 by 2 sin theta cos theta is formula for sin 2 theta. Sin 2 into 9, that is nothing but sin 18 minus 2 by again 2 sin theta cos theta I can written as sin 2 theta, 2 into 27, that is 54. Now I will take 2 common. Sin 19 value is root 5 minus 1 by 4. That is nothing but 4 by root 5 minus 1. Sin 54 value is root 5 plus 1 by 4. That is nothing but 4 by root 5 plus 1. Again here I will take 4 common. 4 come to outside. 4 2 just 8. Now what is remaining? 1 by root 5 minus 1 minus 1 by root 5 plus 1. Now take the LCM. 8 into root 5 plus 1 into 1, root 5 plus 1. Root 5 minus 1 into 1, root 5 minus 1. By denominator, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, that is nothing but 4. Now 4 1 just, 4 2 just gets cancelled. Here root 5 gets cancelled. 1 minus half minus plus 1 plus 1 2, 2 into 2, that is nothing but 4. So 4 is the answer for question number 23, that is nothing but option 3 is the correct answer. Now we will discuss question number 24. We need to find the value of sin 163 cos 347 plus sin 73 into sin 167. Okay, solution. First you take sin 163 cos 347 plus sin 73 into sin 167. Okay, now this 163 can be written as 180 minus 17. 180 minus 17 is nothing but 163. Now this 347 can be written as 360 minus 13. Again, sin 73 can be written as 90 minus 17. Sin 167 can be written as 180 minus 30. Now, sin 180 minus theta, that is equal to sin theta. Why? Because 180 minus means second quadrant sign is positive. Cos 360 minus theta. 360 minus means fourth quadrant cos is positive, so here cos 30. Sin 90 minus theta, that is nothing but cos theta, because for 90 function will change. Sin 180 minus theta, that is nothing but sin theta. Why? Because 180 minus is second quadrant sign is positive. It is in the form of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We know already this formula in PU. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B can be written as sin of A plus B. I am applying this formula. A means 17 degrees, B means 13 degrees. Now you can apply sin of 17 degrees plus 13 degrees. 17 plus 13, that is nothing but 30. We know the value of sin 30. Sin 30 value is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means which option? Second option is the correct answer. Next, question number 25. Find the value of cos A plus cos 240 plus A plus cos 240 minus A. Solution. Cos A plus cos 240 plus A plus cos 240 minus A, that equals to cos A plus, this is in the form of cos of A plus B. We have one formula, cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is equal to 2 cos A cos B. This formula already I gave in synopsis. Now A value is 240, B value is A. If you apply this formula for these two steps, what I can write? 2 cos A cos B. 2 cos A cos B, that equals to cos A plus 2 into cos 240, I can write 180 plus 60 into cos A, that equals to cos A plus 2 cos 180 plus means third quadrant cos is negative, cos 180 plus theta is minus cos theta into cos A. Since cos 180 plus theta is how much? Minus cos theta. That's why minus k. Theta means how much? 60. That equals to cos A minus 2 into cos 60 value is 1 by 2 into cos A. Now 2 gets cancelled. That equals to what is remaining? Cos A minus cos A. Cos A minus cos A is nothing but 0. Means for this question, option 2 is a correct answer. Next, we will discuss question number 26. Sin B plus A plus cos B minus A by sin B minus A plus cos B plus A. This can be written as sin A plus B, cos A minus B, sin A minus B, cos B plus B. Okay. Now, sin B plus A can be written as sin B cos A plus cos B sin A. Which formula? Sin of A plus B can be written as sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. But in place of A, B is there. In place of B, A is there. Plus. Now this is which formula? Cos of A minus B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. But in place of A, you can substitute B. In place of B, you can substitute A. Now, cos B cos A plus sin B sin A. Now, denominator. This is in the form of sin of A minus B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. But in place of A, B is there. In place of B, A is there. Now, sin B cos A minus cos B sin A. Now this is which formula? Cos of A plus B. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Cos B cos A minus sin B sin A. Okay. In numerator, first term and last term, which is common? sin B is common. If you take sin B in first and last, what is remaining? Cos A plus sin A. In middle these two terms, which is common? Cos B is common. What is remaining? Sin A plus cos A. This is numerator. In denominator, I can take in first and last, again which is common? Sin B common. Then what is remaining? Cos A minus sin A. In these two terms, I can take cos B common. First I am writing positive value, next I will write negative value. If you take cos B common, then what is remaining? Cos A minus sin A. First positive value, next negative value. Okay. Again in the numerator, which is common? Cos A plus sin A. Cos A plus sin A. I can take common. Cos A plus sin A common. If you take this value and this value common, what is remaining? Sin B plus cos B. Similarly, in denominator, which is common? Cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A. That's why I am taking cos A minus sin A common. Then what is remaining? Sin B plus cos B. So these two terms are cancelled. Now what is remaining? Cos A plus sin A by cos A minus sin A. Which option? Option 2 is a correct answer for this question. Okay. Next question. We need to find tan 20 plus 2 tan 50 minus tan 70. Solution. Tan 70 can be written as tan 50 plus 20. Now that equals to tan 70 is equal to, it is in the form of tan of A plus B. It can be written as tan A means 50 plus tan B means 20 by 1 minus tan A tan B. Cross multiply. Tan 70 into 1 minus tan 70 into these two terms. Is equal to what is remaining? Numerator is remaining. What is numerator? Tan 50 plus tan 20. Here tan 20, tan 70 gets cancelled. Why cancel? Since tan 20 is nothing but cot 70. Cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. That's why we can cancel. Now what is remaining? Tan 70 minus tan 50 is equal to tan 50 plus tan 20. Send this RHS to the left side. Then what is remaining? Sorry, here they asked this value, na? You do one thing. Send this LHS to that side. That implies tan 20 minus tan 50 go to that side plus tan 50. Tan 50 plus tan 50, 2 tan 50 plus tan 70 come to this side minus tan 70. If all come to this side, then what is remaining value? 0. So therefore 0 is the answer. 0 is nothing but option 2 is the correct answer for question. Here understood why these two cancel. Tan 20 can be written as cot 70. Cot and tan are reciprocal to each other. Cot can be written as 1 by tan. That's why tan and tan gets cancelled. Now this one. Solution. See here, tan a by 2 given. We need to find 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. 1 plus cos a by 1 minus cos a. We have two formulas. In PU you will get 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta by 2. Next, second, 1 minus cos theta can be written as 2 sin square theta by 2. In PU already we know these two formulas. I am applying these two formulas here. In place of theta, what we have here? This can be written as 2 cos square a by 2 by 2 sin square a by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Cos square by sin square, that is nothing but cot square a by 2. That equals to cot value we don't know. Tan value we know. Tan value how much? 3 by 2. If tan value 3 by 2, cot value is reverse. That is nothing but 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 whole square is nothing but 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is nothing but option 4 is the correct answer for question number 28. Coming to this 29th question. Cos 2b is equal to cos a plus c by cos a minus c. Okay. Cos 2b is equal to cos a plus c by cos a minus c. But we need to find tan a, tan b, tan c are in which progression? Arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression. Means we need to convert this entire expression in terms of tan. How to find? We have one formula. Cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta by 1 plus tan square theta. This is formula for cos 2 theta in terms of tan. In place of theta, what we have? B. That is nothing but 1 minus tan square b by 1 plus tan square b. Now numerator, which formula? Cos of a plus b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Denominator, which formula? Cos of a minus b. That is nothing but cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now it can be written as 1 minus tan square b by 1 plus tan square b is equal to, in this numerator I can take cos a cos c common, then 1 minus sin by cos, tan, sin by cos, tan. In denominator also cos a cos c common, then 1 plus sin by cos, tan a, sin c by cos c, tan c. Now multiply, cross multiply this into this, this into this. 1 minus tan square b into 1 plus tan A tan C. Right side. 1 plus tan square B into this one. 1 plus tan square B into 1 minus tan A tan C. Multiply 1 into 1. 1 into tan A tan C minus tan square B into 1 minus tan square B into this one. This is the simplification of LHS. RHS. 1 into 1. 1 into minus tan A tan C. Tan square B into 1 minus tan square B into this. Any cancellation we can cancel. This term cancel. 1 gets cancelled. This minus tan A tan C come to this side, plus tan A tan C. Already tan A tan C is there. That is nothing but 2 tan A tan C. This minus tan square B go to that side, plus tan square B. Already that side tan square is there. Tan square plus tan square, 2 tan square. Children, in 10th standard, because in PUC, sequence progression chapter is not finished. That's why I am using formula. 2 gets cancelled. If A comma B comma C belongs to geometric progression, then condition B square is equal to AC. This is A, this is C, this is B square. Both are same. Here what we wrote? A, B, C belongs to GP. A means what? Tan A. B means tan B. C means tan C. That's why we can write tan A, tan B, comma tan C belongs to geometric progression. Geometric progression means which option correct? Option 2 is the correct answer. Next, 30th question. Cos alpha plus cos beta whole square plus sin alpha plus sin beta whole square. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. It is also in the form of a plus b whole square. Then a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is also a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Again, sin square beta plus cos square beta value is 1. Why? We know identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. In these two terms, in place of cos square plus sin square 1, in place of cos square beta plus sin square beta 1, in this and this I can take 2 common. If 2 common, what is remaining? Cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Now here 1 plus 1, that is 2, plus 2 into cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is formula for cos of A minus B. Now again I will take 2 common. 1 plus cos alpha minus beta is remaining. But we have one formula. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. In place of theta, what we have? Alpha minus beta. If you apply that formula, 1 plus cos theta can be written as 2 cos square theta means alpha minus beta by 2. If you multiply with 2, 2 2s is 4 cos square alpha minus beta by 2, that is nothing but option 1 is the correct answer. Coming to question number 30. We need to find the value of tan 3a. Tan 3a formula is there in PU. 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Tan a value already we know, 1 by 2 substitute. That equals to 3 into 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole cube by 1 minus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square. If you simplify 3 into 1 by 2, that is nothing but 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole cube, that is nothing but 1 by 8 minus 1 minus 3 by 4. I will take LCM in numerator. The LCM of 2 and 8 is 8. 2 how many times multiply? 4 times. 4 into 3, 12. 8 in 8, 1 time multiply. 1 into 1, 1. By denominator, 4 minus 3 by 4. Now what you will get? 11 by 8 by 1 by 4. This can be written as 11 by 8 into 4 by 1. Now 4 1 just 4 2 just cancel. Now answer is 11 by 2, that is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer. Okay. In this question, we need to find the value of under root of 1 plus sin x plus under root of 1 minus sin x by under root of 1 plus sin x minus under root of 1 minus sin x. Given x belongs to second quadrant, means second quadrant is lies between 90 to 180. Now, if you divide with 2, 90 by 2 is 45, x by 2. 180 by 2, that is nothing but 90. Means x by 2 is lies between 45 to 90. If 45 to 90, which value is more? Sin value is more, because sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Why 60 sir? 60 is lies between 45 to 90. Root 3 by 2 is more or 1 by 2 is more? Root 3 by 2 is greatest. This is smallest. Okay, that's why here under root of 1 plus sin a, it can be written as under root of 1 can be written as sin square a by 2 plus cos square a by 2. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Again sin a can be written as 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. Now a square plus b square plus 2ab, a plus b whole square, square and root gets cancelled, then you will get sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2. Similarly, under root of 1 minus sin a, it can be written as sin a by 2 minus cos A by 2. Substitute these two values in the given question. That equals to, in place of this, what I can write? Sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Here, sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 by denominator. In place of under root of 1 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2. Under root of 1 minus sin x, this one. Sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2. Here cos gets cancelled. Here sin gets cancelled. Sin plus sin, 2 sin. Cos minus of minus plus cos, 2 cos. 2 gets cancelled. Then sin by cos, that is nothing but tan x by 2. Tan x by 2 is which option? Second option. Here you will get a doubt. Why sir explain this? Here this expression can be written as sin plus cos and sin minus cos. As well as we can write cos plus sin, cos minus sin also correct. So here in place of sin minus cos, I can write cos minus sin also. But that will depend on the given condition. In this condition, which is greatest? Greatest is sin. Which is smallest? Cos is smallest. Means you write the first greatest term next smallest term. Why? Because here minus symbol is there. If you take first greatest next least, you will get positive answer. That's why, because of this reason, first I wrote sin, next I wrote cos. Maybe the question is given another method. Another means here cos is the greatest, sin is the least. In that case, first you write cos, next you write sin. Here also first you write cos, next you write sin, depending on the greatest and smallest. Here sin is greatest, first sin, next cos. That's why I wrote. This is very, very important condition. Next, coming to the 33 question. Tan A is equal to 1 minus cos B by sin B. Here we have two formulas. I am using the two formulas. Formula number 1, 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. Second formula, sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. I am applying these two formulas for RHS. LHS already what is there? Tan A is equal to, in place of 1 minus cos theta, what I can write? 2 sin square theta by 2. Here theta is nothing but B by denominator. Sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Now 2 gets cancelled, square and sin gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? Tan A is equal to sin by cos, that is tan B by 2. But we required tan 2A. Tan 2A formula already we know. What is tan 2A formula? 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. In place of tan A, what I can substitute? Tan B by 2. That equals to tan 2A equals to 2 tan B by 2 by 1 minus tan square B by 2. Now, tan 2A equals to, this can be written as 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta can be written as tan of 2 theta. Theta means what? B by 2. Now here 2 gets cancelled. Now what is remaining? tan 2a is equal to tan b. Tan 2a equals to tan b means which option? Option 1 is a correct answer.